Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can give fish to other players in Fish It Roblox. So whether you are helping a beginner to get started or trading rare mutations with your crew, here I'm going to show you the safest way to transfer fish. So first you can just hold the fish that you want to give to the other players. Like this one, for example, I'm going to give this chrome tuna to others, and you can just find the others player where that you want to give. For example, I'm going to give it to this person right here. So as soon as I get closer to the other players, there will be this pop-up chrome tuna gift. You can just, if you're using PC like I do, you can just press on the L button on your keyboard, or you can also just click on give if you're using mobile. So let's try that. And in here you can just click on yes, and if they accept it, they will also click on yes. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.